Just the caliber of the physicians are top-notch. I had a tooth that cracked, and it was infected, and it was basically dissolving my jawbone, as infections can do, and it had to have considerable reconstructive work. I had some implants done, and very happy with the outcome. Mostly because of the expertise. I think from having worked with Dr. Marcus and Dr. Phillips, and knowing what they are expert at makes it worth the trip, in addition to the fact that not many clinics or dentists in the United States have all the adjunct tools, the ozone, the ultrasonic knives and removal of necrotic matter from bone, and they have the right philosophy and the equipment to handle it properly. It is an understanding of the human body that it does have the capacity to sequester dead bone in the jaw without you ever knowing about it. And they'll give you the information so that you can make the best choice of where to progress. They're very warm and family-like at the clinic. They're very concerned, and by comparison, in the United States, at least medical doctors are on the clock. They want to get you out of the office as quickly as possible. Here, they will do whatever is necessary to help you.